to go home? I'm just be making another monkey video, 1 through 10 rate. See how it go. Let's get started. Rate me on the 1 through 10.
Huh?
Rate me on the 1 through 10.
10.
A 10.
Wait, let me see. Oh, he cute.
Press that friend button. Good looking. Playing defense. We aiming at your head. Rate me on a 1 through 10.
10.
A 10? Alright, you beautiful. When you gonna let me eat that motherfucker? Huh? Oh, being nice is funny. Being nice is too funny. Try being nice, I bet. Hey, rate me on the 1 through 10.
I think you're a 10. You cute.
Good looking.
No.
And I don't know why y'all in the other video talking about I tried to show my braces. No, I didn't. It was cutting my motherfucking gums. What you mean? So I keep having to pull it. Tell me he trying to show off his braces for this cute girl. Ain't all that pants, man. What is her name?
I saw you. I don't know where.
You said what? What'd you say? Add time. What'd you say?
Are you on YouTube?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah, y'all in the video right now.
Huh?
I said y'all on the video right now.
You're on YouTube, right?
Yeah, I'm making a video right now. Y'all in it.
What?
Yeah, you wanna see the camera?
Huh?
What?
I can't hear you that good.
Y'all on the video. Say what's up to the video.
What? That's so cool.
But press
I've
that.
seen him from somewhere.
Press that
Oh my
friend.
God.
Press that friend button. Tweet.
Rate me 1 to 10.
Rate me 1 through 10.
8.
8. I'll give you a little 8. 8 too.
A what?
8. No, what the hell? Shit, no. Let me stop. Woo. Next video, I don't care what y'all say. I'm being my usual self. Rate me on a 1 through 10.
A 10.
A 10. Even though you look young as hell. She looked at 7. Freezing up.
Can you rate me 1 to 10?
Rate me first, then I got you.
A 9.
A 9. What?
No.
Oh, y'all saw her face. Rate me on a 1 through 10.
A rate you on a 1 to 10? I was gonna ask you the same thing.
I got you.
Like a 9.
A 9.
Yeah, what you rate me?
You a 9 with a sprinkle on it. I was gonna lie to her. She was a good 6. But you guys said be nice, so I'm gonna be nice. Rate me on a 1 through 10. You heard me? Egghead. Oh. On a 1 through 10. Rate me on a 1 through 10.
You a 10.
Dang. Said it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Oh my God. That's stuff about her body. I'm like, oh snap, you bad. And then she would turn that face around. Looked at me, I would have like froze up a little bit. Cause I didn't know. Rate me on a 1 through 10. Since you looking hard. Rate me on a 1 through 10. Your ass fat, man. Face fat as hell.
No,
Rate me on a 1 through 10.
we gotta walk to that. 8.5.
8.5. Put your face in the camera. Motherfuckers look bogus.
What's up?
For the females, rate me 1 through 10. For little bro, hell no.
You get
A what?
okay.
I thought she said a 6. Boy, I was finna end this video. And I'm not even finna pronounce it. Face black as hell. Hey, rate me on a 1 through 10.
What's up?
Rate me on a 1 through 10.
Rate you 1 through 10.
Yeah.
That's time. Hi.
Rate me on a 1 through 10.
Come on. Okay. Rate the 1 to 10. No, he told us to rate them. Oh, dude. I give you 10. Add time. Hello? What's up? That's you.
Rate me. Oh. Oh my God. Cece. She's from Ohio. She is black. That's a black name. If you're white and have CC, then you're bogus. Your mom hates you. Rate me on a 1 through 10. Rate me on a 1 through 10. Hey, rate me on a 1 through 10. Rate me on a 1 through 10.
9.
A 9. Good luck.
Hey, can you have time? Okay, I'm doing a YouTube video right now.
I am too.
And I want to ask you a question.
I am too.
Oh, so will you smash a pass?
You got an ass?
Yeah, I got a butt.
I ain't say it like that. I smash, but I smash.
Alright, so what about you? Like,
Rate me on a 1 through 10.
a 10.
A 10. What's your YouTube channel?
_ your Asian girl.
Hey,
Don't
rate.
ask time, I gotta ask you a question.
Go ahead.
Rate me 1 out of 10.
You rate me first.
You better not ask you first.
So just do it, then I got you.
No, come on, I ask you first.
Hey, don't do it. Alright, you a 9. Now what am I?
Alright, thanks.
What am I?
I'll say you a 7, 8, 7, 8.
Nah, which one?
What you told you? 8.
I'm an 8?
You said work for hours. Yeah.
You want me to be honest now?
Nah, you a negative.
Get off my phone. Leave. Get off the phone. Hey, rate me 1 through 10.
What you doing?
Rate me out of 1 through 10.
10.
A 10. Good luck.